What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of SHARKNOMZ, where we eat stuff. Sometimes it's good, and sometimes it's weird. But either way, we tell you about it. What do we have for this episode?
Today is Sour Patch Kids ice cream.
Listen, okay, so if you're familiar with SHARKNOMZ, you might know that we did Sour Patch Kids cereal a few weeks ago, and it tasted just like Sour Patch Kids, just with a cereal twist. I mean, it was just go scroll over here somewhere. It's probably going to come up in the feed. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. It doesn't. When you open that Sour Patch Kids cereal, it smelled of Sour Patch Kids. It's a little more subtle. It smells way more vanilla-y.
So I'm confused by the flavor of this one because it is
red, white, and blue.
Yeah, but it is a lemon sherbet. How do you say that?
Sherbet.
Sherbet with vanilla icing.
You're uncultured swine. With real Sour Patch Kids, I actually don't doubt this. Sometimes when it says the real things in here, you kind of got to roll your eyes, but like, I mean,
we just massacred a bunch of Sour Patch.
They look murdered. It's just all right. Let's just eat it. I don't know. Should we do big bite or like?
I'm a little scared too because it's probably gonna kick us in the teeth.
Well, you know what it tastes like? You know what it tastes like? It tastes like those red, white, and blue popsicles.
Yeah, like the Bomb Pops?
Yeah, is that what they're called?
I think so.
I guess I'm the uncultured one now.
I mean, I don't really taste the Sour Patch massacred children in here.
Yeah, just keep talking about massacred children.
Sorry.
Weirdo. Okay. I don't know if you ate over here, but the red one's kind of mild. I just got a crunch of blue one, and it's like legit sour.
See, I've been getting mostly ice cream, I think. I can definitely taste the lemon in it.
Oh, I legit just chewed on a Sour Patch Kid. Like, there's pieces of them in there.
That's crazy.
Oh, wow, that's so sour. Okay. I'm going to do one more bite. Here's how I feel about it. This does not taste bad. I'm not disappointed, but there's kind of a catch.
Yep.
I'm not having an ice cream experience. I'm having a candy experience. That was kind of my problem with the Sour Patch Kids cereal. You know what my problem probably really is that I'm not 8 years old.
Yeah. Whoa!
Did you finally get a blue one?
Whoa!
I'm telling you, the red one, that's why it was red on top. They want you to just get in there a little bit. How'd they know we were just going to be eating from the top down? And then you dig down a little bit, there's some blue ones. I'm having a candy experience. It's not ice cream.
Yeah, I'm like, I kind of wish that there was a little bit more, I don't know, just ice cream.
More ice cream, less candy. All right, I'm going to go. We grade things out of 5 stars here on SHARKNOMZ. I'm going to say 3.6, which is a fine score. I would grade it lower because I don't like it, but I'm trying to be nice here. It's just not my thing. If you like candy in your ice cream, I might like it if it was better. I'm sorry. I'm so soured out right now. I can't think straight. I might like it if it was better.
Tell us how you really feel.
Honest review. I was gonna say I might like it if it was chocolate. You know why? Wonder Balls.
Oh.
You got the tartness
there
and you got
go.
the chocolateness. This is
Wonder Balls.
Listen, Sour Patch people, put it in chocolate ice cream. Your boy's gonna give you a higher score. That's my review.
Yeah, I mean, I wish it wasn't lemon. That was the only thing. Like, I dig it, the whole concept of it. I just don't like the lemon in it at all. I get why they did it because of the sour, but like,
all right, we'll give it a score.
Not my flavor. Probably a solid 3.1, maybe.
Who's the dummy now? I guess sorbet is a different word than sherbet. I really don't know. I guess we're both uncultured because it does. I thought you just read it wrong, but sorbet is a word. Lemon sorbet and vanilla light ice cream with a red berry swirl and blue Sour Patch Kids bits. That's why. The raspberry swirl is flavoring. The only Sour Patch Kids in here are the blue ones.
Oh, Oh.
So that's why I was surprised, because the red's not sour. It tastes like, actually, if you took the blue stuff out, it was just that swirl. It'd be kind of, it'd be kind of a red berry ice cream. All right. What number do you give it?
I said 3.1. Not bad.
Well, I scored it better. I was being generous because somebody's going to like it.
Yeah, definitely.
Guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button as well as that like button. If you didn't like it, do it anyways, because what is it going to cost you? But if you do hit the subscribe button, then you'll know whenever we post videos in the future and you can come hang out with us again, all right? So do that. Appreciate you. Come back next time.
Hey, I'm a shark with a top hat, and I think you should subscribe. Go ahead, hit the button. I'll wait. Okay, bye.